Hello again. I have decided I'm going to be coming on for the rest of the days that we have this space together, where there are replays going on. I know some of you are watching the replays. We're at different stages. Some of you have already watched the Velvet Doorway. Some of you are in the middle of the replays. And since we have this space together, I thought I would come in each day. I'll try to each day, and talk to you about certain topics that are pinging me to speak about, because I think I just wanted to add value to the masterclass, but like keep it like really short lessons, just because we all learn in so many different ways as well. And also these are just additional bits for you to chew on. Today's thing that came through was to talk about quantum mechanics of manifestation. And so when we hear the word manifestation, it's been so thrown around in the industry, and those of you who have heard me talk about it before know that I am not someone who loves the industry definition, like the manifestation guru definition of manifestation, is because it's very like one size fits all, like you have to do this or these kind of practices to manifest. I think that we all have our unique way of manifestation, and I've actually distilled it down to 5 steps, 5 easy steps. And I just want you to know the way, it's going to be different for each of you, but these are the 5 things to look for, like signs that you're manifesting, basically. Okay, so let's talk about it. So the first step is things that I covered in the Velvet Doorway. It is about creating the space and the environment to receive, to be in receivership. Because if you can't receive the vision, you don't have the space, you're being influenced, you're being cluttered, your nervous system is in fight, flight, or freeze, you are not gonna, like, the vision, the clarity that can happen isn't going to come through. Sure, you can still receive the vision, you can still receive insights, but are you going to be able to discern whether they are yours or someone else's? So that's number 1. And it's all about alignment and coming back to who you are and knowing who you are. So if you haven't watched Velvet Doorway, go watch it. Number two is actually receiving a vision or a direction. And the vision and direction is going to allow you to see it in the quantum, to see what's possible for you. And this is a very, very exciting part of the manifestation process, because it's like we see it, we feel it, we can know how it would be for that thing that we want to be in our life. And a lot of people just get stuck here. This is what I call delulu. And they say like, oh yeah, you just have to be in delulu and things will come to fruition. No, they won't come to fruition if you stay on step 2. This is only step 2. So let's go to the next step. The next step is trusting. This is huge. This is huge, because trusting means that you are believing so much in what you have received that you have the courage to move on it, which is the next step. So trusting has to be cellular, it has to be in your body. That's why embodied. And then you move from this trust. So that's step number 4. Moving from the step, which means it's going to take something from you. It's going to ask something of you. The law of the universe is of reciprocation. So in order to receive something, you have to give something. And that reciprocation is like a circle. It allows the energies to flow between what we are ready to receive and what we are manifesting. We have to give. So either you're going to give your time, you're going to give your energy, or you're going to give your resources. So these are the 3 main resources: time, energy, money. Time and energy you have, and it can still cost you, but you have them. Okay. Money is something that people are very trepidatious about moving with, but money is an accelerator. But what is going to allow you to invest in accelerating is to understand your goals, understand your values. For example, for me, why I invest with finances is because I value comfort and I value speed, and I value things to be done right. I don't like, there is a way of trial and error, and on the journey you will have your own trial and error, but money allows you to get what you want faster. It allows you to get there faster. So those are the 3 resources in which you're going to move with. Number 5 is then looking for the evidence of the manifestation. This is called the manifestation bridge, and the ROI that you get. Okay, so the return on investment in you investing money, energy, or time, you're going to look for the evidence of the manifestation. What is coming into your life? What's being shown to you? And that can also come in the way of, like, something comes up within your energy which you have to move or shift. Some memories come up. It can be like people around you mirroring to you something that you need to learn and you need to grow through. It can be opportunities that are presented to you that you can either say yes or no to. It can be people, like things that you come into your awareness that show you, like, it's like creates desires. So there's lots of things. It could be a coaching program. It could be a lifestyle. It could be something that you like, an event that you really want to go to. So many things can start to move when you could make investments. You move from trust, receiving and understanding that this vision has already been anchored in the quantum. It's something that you are already living, and that's why you receive the vision. So it's really, really important to understand this. So these are the quantum mechanics of manifestation, and I'm going to end it there because that's the lesson for today. And I hope that you enjoyed that.